Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figueroa & Associates, and your presenter with a special immigration report. Operation Bargain Brides. Analysis of USCIS and ICE marriage fraud investigation. In an important crackdown on immigration fraud, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, in coordination with U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, recently helped dismantle a nationwide marriage fraud operation. The case highlights both the complexities of immigration enforcement and the sophisticated strategies used to exploit legal loopholes. This analysis will delve into the story's major developments, the broader legal implications, and the significance of the investigation in the context of U.S. immigration policy. Background: in April 2022, Homeland Security Investigations, HSI, Maryland's Document and Benefit Frauds/El Dorado Task Force launched an investigation with support from USCIS. They discovered a coordinated scheme where U.S. citizens were paid thousands of dollars to marry foreign nationals, thereby helping them fraudulently obtain immigration benefits. 3 New York City residents, Ella Zurin, Tatiana Sigel, and Alexandra Tak, were identified as key facilitators. Shanta Hopper of New Jersey also played a major role by recruiting women to participate in these sham marriages. By April 24, 2025, 10 individuals had been arrested, with indictments issued against 4 major conspirators. As a consequence, the fraudulent immigration benefits granted through these sham marriages have been revoked. Analysis of key points. Marriage fraud is not merely a violation of immigration law. It is a federal crime under 8 USCIS 1325, punishable by up to 5 years in prison and a fine of up to $250,000. 1. Facilitators, recruiters, and participants alike can face serious legal repercussions. In this case, the elaborate organization of fake marriages, including falsified health records and immigration paperwork, signals the level of sophistication involved. Further research reveals that marriage fraud remains a persistent concern for immigration authorities. A 2020 report from ICE noted that an estimated 30% of all marriage-based green card applications might involve some degree of fraud too. Past operations like Operation Not So Fast 2019 showed similar multi-state conspiracies, reflecting how these crimes often involve networks rather than isolated actors. 3. Notably, this case emphasizes the importance of interagency collaboration, particularly between USCIS, ICE, and the Diplomatic Security Service. Their combined resources enable more thorough investigations and successful prosecutions. Legal and immigration implications. The dismantling of this fraud operation underscores the government's broader efforts to protect the integrity of the U.S. immigration system. Fraudulent marriages undermine public trust in legal immigration pathways and potentially open avenues for other crimes such as human trafficking or financial exploitation. This case could lead to tighter scrutiny of marriage-based immigration petitions, more interviews, and expanded background checks. Immigration attorneys often warn clients that legitimate marriages must withstand rigorous vetting, including proving a bona fide relationship through shared finances, cohabitation, and personal testimony. Moreover, the successful revocation of immigration benefits obtained through fraud sets an important precedent, reinforcing the consequences of circumventing lawful immigration procedures. Conclusion: The USCIS investigation into a national marriage fraud ring represents a strong stance against immigration fraud. Through strategic interagency cooperation and diligent investigation, authorities dismantled a complex criminal enterprise. Future enforcement efforts will likely build upon such cases to ensure that marriage-based immigration remains a credible and lawful path for genuine couples.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa and Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.